In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep meeting controls visible in Zoom. If you've ever been in a Zoom call, you've probably noticed the toolbar with mute, start video, share screen, and more fades after a few seconds of inactivity. This auto-hide behavior can get in the way when you need to act quickly. Today, I'll show you the quick fix, a single setting called Keep Meeting Controls Visible. To show you the issue, open a Zoom meeting or webinar window and stop moving your mouse. You'll notice the control bar fades until you nudge the mouse again. That's normal behavior, but it makes it easy to lose time hunting for the mute button, especially when you're presenting or sharing your screen. We'll switch that off in the app settings so the bar stays pinned at the bottom. Head to the Zoom desktop app's home screen. In the lower left corner, click the gear icon to open Settings. This is the same settings panel you use to adjust audio, video, and backgrounds. If you're running an older version, the gear may be near your profile picture. Either way, you want the main Zoom settings window. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Meetings and Webinar in the left sidebar and click it. This area controls how Zoom behaves while you're in a session. If your sidebar looks slightly different, think of it as the place where Zoom groups its in-meeting preferences. That's where we need to be. Now, find the Controls area and turn on the option called Keep Meeting Controls Visible. Toggle it to the on position. The moment this is enabled, Zoom stops auto-hiding the toolbar. The mute, video, participants, chat, share screen, reactions, and more will remain visible without you having to wiggle the mouse. Return to an active meeting window and watch what happens. Let the cursor rest. The toolbar should stay put. If you prefer a cleaner look later, you can come back and switch this off at any time. A few quick notes to make this work smoothly. This setting applies to both meetings and webinars on the desktop app, and it persists for future sessions, so you only need to set it once. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your Zoom app is up to date and try again. When you share your screen, Zoom may rearrange some buttons into a floating strip. But with this setting on, that strip remains present and easy to reach. And that's it. You've kept your Zoom meeting controls visible, so the tools you need stay exactly where you expect them.